In the fast-paced modern world, it is easy to lose touch with our inner selves amidst the chaos of daily life. Cultivating a strong relationship with yourself is an essential step towards inner peace and well-being. The practice of mindfulness offers a powerful tool to reconnect with your true essence, fostering self-awareness, compassion, and a deeper understanding of your thoughts and emotions. Start by carving out moments of stillness in your daily routine. Create a dedicated space for quiet reflection, free from distractions. Focus on your breath, allowing it to guide you into the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the thoughts that arise without judgment. Embrace them with curiosity and kindness, acknowledging their presence without attachment or aversion. As you continue this practice, observe the patterns of your mind and emotions with a gentle, non-critical eye. Allow yourself to experience each moment fully, without the weight of past regrets or the anxieties of the future. Nurture a sense of gratitude for the simple joys that surround you, fostering a deeper appreciation for the beauty of life as it unfolds. Embrace self-compassion as a cornerstone of your mindfulness practice. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a dear friend. Release the burden of self-judgment and criticism, and instead cultivate a nurturing inner dialogue that uplifts and supports your journey towards self-discovery and growth. Furthermore, integrate mindfulness into your daily activities, infusing them with a sense of presence and intentionality. Engage in mindful eating, savoring each bite with awareness and gratitude. Find joy in the simple pleasures of nature, allowing its beauty to awaken a sense of wonder within you. Practice mindful movement, whether through yoga, walking, or any form of exercise that connects your body and mind. Remember, cultivating a stronger relationship with yourself through mindfulness is a continuous journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you navigate the ebbs and flows of life, knowing that each moment offers an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. With dedication and practice, you will uncover the profound depths of self-awareness and inner peace, fostering a harmonious relationship with the most important person in your life. yourself. May your mindfulness practice illuminate the path to a deeper understanding of your true essence, nurturing a profound connection with yourself and the world around you. With unwavering love and support, your companion on this journey.